Welcome to the Pharmacology for Medical Students Research Guide. This guide has been tailored specifically to provide links to library-based pharmacology resources that meet the research and study needs of medical students. This guide is organized by type of resource. There is a page for ebooks, multimedia resources, quizzes and study tools, and drug information resources. On the ebooks page, hovering over the cover image or title of any ebook will provide you with a brief description. To access the ebook, click on it, and you will be brought to the library catalog where you can select an option to view the full text. The Multimedia page provides access to videos, lectures, illustrations, and more. This is a good place to start if you are looking to understand specific concepts. There are detailed instructions on how to access each resource. For example, to view the multimedia resources available in Access Medicine, select the link. You will need to create a free account or log in for full access. Once you're logged in and on the home page, select Multimedia at the top of the screen, scroll down and select Pharmacology. From here you can choose from 3 broad categories. There are various types of animations on specific concepts, which are accompanied by written and verbal explanations. The Quizzes and Study Tools page links to interactive quizzes, sample cases, and video lectures. The resources on this page are especially helpful if you are preparing for an upcoming exam. Let's take a look at Usmle Easy. To use this resource, you will need to create a free account or login. Once you are logged in, select Start Practice Quiz, then create your own quiz. Select the various options, being sure to click on Select Learning Objectives in number 4. Then under Disciplines, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Pharmacology. Now you're ready to start the quiz. There is also a quiz feature in Access Medicine. Again, make sure you are signed into your account. Under Study Tools, select Review Questions. Next, choose Clinical Practice and Board Review. Scroll down and select Katzong and Trevor's Pharmacology. You will enter the number of questions from each chapter that you would like to be quizzed on. And up at the top of the page, you will enter the total number of questions that you want in your quiz. Select Start Quiz to begin. The Drug Information Resources page links to resources that will help answer your questions about the pharmacological properties of a specific drug. Let's take a look at LexiComp. We simply need to enter either the generic or brand name of the drug in the search box, then select the term that most closely matches your search. If you hover over the drug name under Lexi Drugs, on the right hand of the screen you can scroll down to go directly to the pharmacological properties of that drug. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions about these resources or any others, please feel free to contact a health sciences librarian.